Hi everyone, this is Rashmita, Hiyasha's mom. Here I would like to thank the entire Angel Paradise Academy for arranging such a wonderful summer camp. It was not only a summer camp, it was a learning process for our little ones. Starting from making of jellyfish, beat a clock or lemonade or Mother's Day. The best part was the little ones got to know how to treat your mothers, how to care for them. Thanks to the entire Angel Paradise fraternity for arranging and conceptualizing this summer camp. Thanks to everybody, thanks to Sally ma'am, thanks to Nidhi, thanks to Ramya ma'am, everybody for arranging such a wonderful summer camp during this lockdown period. Thanks a lot. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.